How to copy the link of any Microsoft Excel document. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to copy the link of any document on Excel. So all what you have to do is go to Excel. Now this is the home page. Choose the document you want. I'm going to choose this one. Click on it and now go to the top right here and click on this little icon and choose share as a link. Click edit link. Now swipe right until you find copy to clipboard option. Now I just copied the link of this document. Easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.